welcome to my channel. I am never gonna get used to this, so hello and welcome back to my channel, The Blush Babe. My name is Mrunmayee and welcome to another video. So I've seen a lot of YouTubers doing this trend and it's pretending to be in a Vogue video. So for today, I'm going to be a celebrity and I'm going to share with you guys my beauty secrets. I'm actually going to do my signature look, which is very easy to do it and you guys have seen it in most of my videos. Now usually celebrities ये video अपने luxurious posh washrooms में करते हैं, लेकिन मेरा bathroom बहुत ही ज़्यादा congested है, so इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे मेरे living room में कर रही हूँ. Please don't mind that. And also मैं बाल खुले रख के पूरा makeup करने वाली हूँ, which is very scary because I never do that. But yeah, anywho, I'm very excited for this video. So without wasting any more time, let's just quickly get into the video. So we're gonna start off by prepping our skin. तो मैं यहाँ पे मेरा favorite Lakme का moisturizing cream use कर रही हूँ. इसके बारे में मैं ज़्यादा डिटेल्स में नहीं जाने वाली हूँ. इनफैक्ट सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ ना, वो मैं काफ़ी हद तक यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ बहुत बार, बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ में. इसलिए मैं कोई भी वीडियो डिटेल में, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट आपको डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन नहीं करने वाली हूँ आज. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ गुड मॉइस्चराइज्ड स्किन, अदरवाइज आपका मेकअप बिल्कुल भी अच्छे से बैठेगा नहीं स्किन पे. दैट इज लिटरली एवरीवन्स वर्स्ट नाइटमेयर. आई फील कि मेकअप अच्छे से बैठेगा नहीं तो, बिकॉज आपकी स्किन बहुत ही ज्यादा रफ दिखती है एंड आपके पोर्स बहुत बड़े दिखते हैं एंड आई डोंट रियली लाइक दैट. आई मीन नोबडी लाइक्स इट, राइट? सो आई हैव अप्लाइड द मॉइस्चराइजर एंड नाउ आई एम मूविंग ऑन टू माई आईज. सो आई एम गोना प्रेप माई आईज ऑल्सो. तो उसके लिए मैं यूज कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे ये द मॉम्स को का आई क्रीम एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस आई क्रीम. आइस क्रीम आई वॉज गोइंग टू से, बट एनीवे. तो मैं इसको इस तरह से डॉट करूंगी दोनों साइड पे and then I'm just gonna gently massage it under my eyes. It just soothes my under eyes like anything. Also, don't worry if you have taken a lot of product, you can just blend it with your fingers later on. So I'm just gonna massage it like this with my fingers क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट मैंने ले लिया था इसलिए. ऑल्सो द थिंग अबाउट दीज वोग वीडियोज इज दैट सारे सेलिब्रिटीज अपने व्यू फाइंडर में देख के मेकअप करते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी न्यू टू मी. आई नेवर डू दैट. I always need a mirror in front of me. I can never imagine doing my makeup like that because बहुत सारे mistakes कर देती हूँ मैं otherwise. So before moving on any further, I will let the product settle into my skin for a minute. Okay, so now that the cream have settled in, I am moving on with the sunscreen. I personally feel like sunscreen is very important for every person. मतलब अगर आप घर पे भी हो ना, फिर भी you have to apply a good sunscreen. So I'm just gonna dot it like this on my face. बहुत सारी अमाउंट ली है मैंने. सनस्क्रीन में ना पर्टिकुलरली मैं आपको बोलूँगी बिल्कुल भी कंजूसी मत करना. Go on in with a lot of product. Now let's blend the sunscreen. Now this sunscreen might whitewash me a little bit, but थोड़ी टाइम के बाद it settles into my skin very properly. So don't worry about it. You can totally go for it because थोड़ी देर के बाद ये काफी अच्छी तरह से blend हो जाता है. I love the fragrance of this sunscreen. ये Lakme वाला sunscreen मुझे काफी पसंद है and I've been using it for like 3 to 4 years now and I absolutely love it. तो इसके ऊपर मेकअप लगाने से पहले मैं थोड़ी देर रुकने वाली हूँ for around 5 minutes because I want my sunscreen to settle into my skin completely. और directly अगर sunscreen के ऊपर मेकअप स्टार्ट करोगे ना तो your skin will look really very flaky, which is something I don't want, so I'm gonna wait for a few minutes. तब तक आप आपकी लिप्स को प्रेप कर सकते हो. तो मैं यहाँ पे ये Lakme का लिप लव लिप बाम यूज कर रही हूँ and I have bragged about it in a lot of my videos. It's very hydrating, has a very good fragrance. Okay, so I feel the sunscreen has settled into my skin really well and it's been a few minutes now. So I'm moving on with the concealer. अब concealer मैं इसीलिए लगाने वाली हूँ because foundation मैं skip कर रही हूँ पूरी तरह से. I'm not gonna apply any foundation and you guys can see I have a lot of dark circles, so concealer is must. So the usual trick, आउटर कॉर्नर पे थोड़ा सा, इनर कॉर्नर पे थोड़ा सा, ऑन द लिड, ऑन द ब्रिज ऑफ माई नोज, अगेन रिपीटिंग आउटर कॉर्नर पे यहाँ पे. देन आई एम गोना ब्लेंड इट विद अ ब्रश बिकॉज ब्रश से काफी अच्छी कवरेज मिलती है. सो वी जस्ट गोना ब्लेंड इट लाइक दिस. आउटर पोर्शन से मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ, इनर से नहीं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट गोना ब्लेंड इट फ्रॉम द आउटर वी. Can you guys see the difference? I love this concealer. मतलब it actually has a medium coverage, but you can absolutely work with it. So the nose area, now you guys can see I have a little darkness around my mouth as well. तो मैं यही ब्रश से बस यहाँ पे इस तरह डैप करूँगी. And I'm gonna blend the other side as well. So I'm gonna go in with blush. यहाँ पे मैं liquid lipstick ही use कर रही हूँ as a blush. And I am a blush baby, as you guys already know. I use a lot of blush, I apply a lot of blush. Of course it depends on you how much blush you want to apply. So yeah, a little on the eyelid. So let's blend it with a beauty blender. If you're using a cream lipstick, it will blend very easily, but if you're using a liquid lipstick, it will take a little time to blend. Gonna blend on the other side as well. It has already dried, so I'm literally dragging it like this. So then I'm gonna bake my under eyes as well as wherever I've applied the concealer. I'm gonna bake that part. So we're just gonna bake our under eyes, other side as well. Now one thing I've learned recently is that if you're applying a lot of blush, you have to apply some contour to actually balance things out. So I'm using my Swiss Beauty Ultra Professional palette and I'm gonna take a little bit of it, dab the excess off, and अभी देखिए मैं किस तरह से contour करने वाली हूँ. इस तरह से मैं बस थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट जॉट करूँगी अपने cheeks पे. Just that much, and I'll leave it on like that. Now I'll move on to the other side as well. बस इस तरह से जॉट कर रही हूँ इसको, and also gonna apply it on my nose like this and my non-existent jawline as well. अब ये जो मैंने contour apply किया है ना, I'm just gonna blend it with another brush. So I'll drag it upwards and I will bring it under my cheeks like this. Can you guys see how beautiful this looks? I'm gonna repeat on the other side. I'm gonna blend the contour that's on my nose as well. I have to contour my nose because I have a very chubby nose. So it's better I do it because otherwise it will just look very weird. So this is how it looks. Now from the same palette, I'm gonna go in with this blush and I will apply it like this. On the other side, also gonna apply it on my nose. If you feel like you have applied a lot of blush and contour, you can go ahead with the same beauty blender that you have used to blend the concealer and just pat it like this. It will take away all the product, you guys can see. All the excess product, I mean. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my brows. So एक angled brush मैं यहाँ पे ले रही हूँ and ये वाले palette में से ये जो black eyeshadow है ना, ये मैं use करने वाली हूँ. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. अब eyebrows मैं mirror पे देख के ही करूँगी because I'm very bad at doing it on the screen. So just fill in your brows. Now I know they're not precise, but I'm gonna brush them. So तभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे दिखेंगे वो. Now they're actually a little too bushy for my liking, so I'm just gonna brush them to make them look more natural. Not a huge fan of the bushy brows. So done with my brows. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyes. Now eyes I'm gonna keep it very natural, so I'm just gonna go with this orange kind of a shade right here. I'll just take it on the brush and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. यहाँ पे अंदर की साइड में और यहाँ पे ऊपर की साइड में मुझे ज़्यादा blend करना है. I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side as well. I am often scared to stab my eye when I'm talking and doing my eyeshadows. Then I'm gonna take this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty and मैं इसको थोड़ा सा ना अपने हाथ पे इस तरह से लगाऊंगी because I'm not gonna go in with a lot of it. So with a brush I'm gonna collect the eyeshadow and I will apply it on the inner V. Now the reason why I'm doing it with a brush is because बहुत ज़्यादा लग जाता है ये and इतने प्रोडक्ट की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. With the help of my ring finger, I'm just gonna spread it all over my lid. This actually looks very pretty. Gonna go ahead on the other side. इस तरह से मैं fingers से इसको करूँगी. Can you guys believe how easy this actually was? I mean, आई शेडोज लगाना इतना ईजी हो सकता है. देन आई एम गोना अप्लाई सम आई लाइनर. अभी आई मेकअप थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है, इस पे मैं एंड नहीं करने वाली हूँ. सो आई विल जस्ट अप्लाई द आई लाइनर फर्स्ट. तो मैं विंग नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं बेसिक आई लाइनर ही अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. Keep it to the lash line, as close to the lash line as possible. This is actually a task. Honestly, I love all the Lakme products, but particularly this product is what I don't really like that much. Now, why I'm not a huge fan of this eyeliner is because this has like the peeling thing in it, and it's good that it peels off, but अदरवाइज ना ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लम्पी हो जाता है. इफ़ यू गाइस कैन सी, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लम्पी हो जाता है, एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू एक्चुअली अप्लाई इट. आई एम गोना ड्रैग इट आउट अ लिटिल. आई होप आई डोंट मेस एवरीथिंग. थैंकफुली आई हैवंट, बट ओ गॉड. ओके, सो आई होप इट लुक्स अमेजिंग. Yeah, I mean, I kind of liked it. Then for my lower lashes, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful hot pink color, and I will smudge it under my eyes. Since you're doing this all pink look, I thought it would be perfect to apply a pink eyeshadow like this. This actually looks prettier than I thought it would look. Be very very gentle when you're doing this because you might stab your eye. So I'm just gonna flicker it out a little bit. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I just felt like doing it, so why not? This looks very different and unusual, but I love it. So I'm not gonna apply eyelashes, I'm just gonna go with some mascara. You can honestly go for any mascara of your choice, but the one I'm using is this Inside Cosmetics Lash Extension one. And although I don't like this mascara that much, but that's the only mascara that I have, so yeah. Also on the lower lashes, just don't forget your lower lashes because it opens up your eyes. Can you guys see the difference? I mean, although I don't like it that much, but yeah, it does give some volume to my eyelashes. Does. Wow, nice. So just brush it like this and then pull it out. So once we're done with the eyes, I'm just gonna remove all the baking that I've done with my fingers itself. Not really using a brush over here because I don't know, I like to work with my fingers more. Also not a huge fan of highlighter these days, इसलिए I'm directly gonna move on with the lipstick. So for lipstick I'm using this Lakme Forever Matte liquid lip color, and I'm in the shade Nude You. It's a liquid matte lipstick and I love this shade. This shade totally goes with today's look, so also, if you feel that this shade washes you off, you can go with a darker color and just dab onto it. Can you guys see how immediately this has turned out so beautiful? So this is how it has turned out, and I absolutely love it. So this is the final look, and I think it looks pretty amazing. It has turned out pretty amazing, although my hair just does not stay in place at all. But yeah, I am quite impressed with this. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with all your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit the little notification bell down there so that whenever I come up with a video, you will get notified. And if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Mrunmayee. I come up with videos every Monday and Friday at 11. So stay tuned for my next video. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and stay beautiful. Bye bye.